Namaskar. So nice to see everyone here today on the live session of Sarva Hospitality. We are based in Dehradun at Sarva Hospitality School, and we have a diploma and degree courses full time in all the different departments of front office, housekeeping, food and beverage service, and food production. Today is my great privilege to come on this platform. This is our third live episode, and first it is with Amul. And in the coming weeks, we definitely want to see that we should definitely come with Amul. So today, basically, we are using the Amul products, all made from the Amul cheese, butter, Amul cream, milk, everything over here. And we have prepared most of the things from here, using mushrooms, paneer, cottage cheese, the cream Amul, the chutneys, the marination, and the different spices. Today we have used the black pepper, this thing garam masala, this thing, your salt, then two salts are there, one is black salt, rock salt, and one is white salt. We have used degi mirch, we have used the turmeric and haldi powder, soft, because today we are preparing soft sule wala. So we have used the natural soft, which is very good for our health. And we have a mixture of achar, the dry mixture of achar we have, which we use in this program. So these are the basic things what we are preparing today. We are preparing today, and these are things we have to understand this. So it is one of the best things what I thought we should bring to your platform in this way. And today you'll see the variations, because the time is very less with us. So we are not able to do much in the time to prepare the time, and to cut down and short the time. We have prepared the thing before, and some of things have to be, and those are medicated with all these things. Where we have not used any of the color, any of the dyes, we are using only all these. Like this is one of the best thing we use here, and the regular feature of ours, the Amul, the taste of Amul we have. And we have this, we have the cream, beautiful cream we have, and I believe I always recommend this cream to everyone. And apart from this, the butter, who knows about the butter of Amul? And the cheese, Amul cheese. So these are the products what we use here. And the same products we have tried to prepare the things in an authentic Indian way. So these are the things what we are using. We are not using any of the oil. We are using the kachi ghani oil, which is for marination to give the flavor. So these are things. So today we have prepared something where without tandoor, because this is a home cooking, and most of the people they don't have tandoor at homes. And to make this, we have to just pre-prepare. That's called preparation of mise en place in a chef language. For all the pre-preparation done, then all the things are taken, then they are marinated, and then they are skewered, because since it is a home, we don't have tandoor. And we want to show you the simplest way how we can prepare these things at home only, and how we can basically flavor the food with all these things. I am using the whole garam masala here, the whole garam masala. So these are things what we are using. once we come back, before starting the work, everybody is talking about hygiene. Because that plays a very important role in our daily work, and especially for the professional people, the chefs, it prepares a starting of the day. Many people will say that use of sanitizer is very good. Of course, in our hotel or in our place, in our labs, we use the potassium permanganate, which is available very, very easily in the chemist shops, which you will put in the water, dip your hands properly, wash them properly everywhere, without wearing any rings, without wearing any things, and then you start the work. The hygiene plays the important role. And especially when you are placing the dish, that is the main time the hygiene plays an important role. So we are doing all these things, we are hygiene prepared. And if you see over here, if you see the looks over here, the things are very, very different. They're clean and tidy and work. So you have to do like this. Now we come to the preparation of the dish. The first is paneer soft chule wale, where we have dish we have got, where we have prepared the dish and marinate dish, and we have prepared, and since it is home cooking also, so we have tried our level best, prepared in this pan. So basically we have prepared all these things here in this pan in our home cooking, where the color has to be in a perfect way, where the coloring is done like this. This is basically a cheese. The cheese prepared with the Amul cheese. We have prepared this sort of thing for you, and it's really beautiful. Paneer is very soft. You can feel very soft, full of good flavors. Anyone without tandoor can prepare at home, and this is also one of my favorites. So this is the way you prepare like this. Then we have prepared something else for you. Then we were exactly waiting for the paneer soft chule wale, and for that we have done things like this. We have kept these marinations here like this. We have taken the soya chunks and prepared them in this way, in the raw form. You can add the onions, you can add the mushrooms, any vegetable can be added in this. Then, after doing all these things, after doing the marination, we have to grill them on a pan. Grill on the pan. And then, this is the soya chop. Again the soya chop. This is the paneer soft chule wale. It has got the full flavor of paneer here. Very good in taste. Everything natural, without adding any additives, without adding any color in this. We have prepared it this way. Now comes the second part, the marination. The marination was prepared like this, in the raw form. This is the sizzler. This can go very hot. It can go very hot, and you can just flavor the food from this. Then, if you don't have a sizzler at home, not to worry. You can have the chutneys downstairs like this, and prepare them like this, and show them as you wish with your tempting chutneys. So these are the things what we can do at home. You start with the pan cooking, you start with the marination, then you start doing the things and placing them over here like this. This is the way we are doing this. Now once we have done this, now come the part of the show today, and for that I have done something very different. So today I show you the smoking point. How do you add the flavors to all these foods? Now to add the flavor of the foods, I have to take a hot charcoal, burnt charcoal, in which I have prepared the melted ghee of Amul, and with that, putting any flavor in a hotel industry to give and impart a flavor, we use the whole garam masala, but yes, it depends upon what flavor you want to give to it. But usually it is like this. So we put it like this, and after this, we pour. Once you must be here seeing this, the sizzling. Then you prepare the thing like this, and here it goes like this. If you see from here, all the flavors are getting involved in this, like this, everywhere. And we got this special for you to see how to flavor the dishes of different ways. This is the way, and the smell is really very, very nice. Very good. I feel like tempting to eat this. And once you do it, think practice like this, you'll feel the thing. This is called dhunga in our industry, which is it gives you the flavor of any food, your biryanis, your curries, your normal dishes. It gives you a flavor like this. After some time, here it goes, and here you see the smoke. See the smoke coming out. And the feel is so tempting, so nice, I just can't memorize it. I really wish if you all had been here with me today, you've seen the smoke on fire today. This is the way we do it. If you do not have this, not to worry. You can take a kadhai, you can take a pan, you take a katori, and the way you do dhunga like this, it adds the robust flavor to the dish, which I hope everyone will going to enjoy the thing. So this is the way you have to do it this way. So these are some of the things what we have prepared. There somebody requested us to give the numbers and the recipes. So what we'll do is this, after the show, we'll share a link with you, and you can definitely ask your things with me, or even you can message us on Servo Hospitality, and we can definitely give you back the same answers. So here you are today, where we have used all the natural ingredients, the cream, the marinations, the ginger garlic paste, the black salt, garam masala powder, and salt, the degi mirch, the haldi, the sauce chule wala, and basically the masala for your achar. And then you can see the different dishes what we have prepared for you today. Now everything is done, then okay, somebody asked you for dhunga. You cannot store it for a long time because the flavor will go out sometime. So you have to add a small piece always. No need to take such a big piece or a small, more bigger piece. You take a very small piece for this to just give you the flavor. And as you see, after so long, it is still, the flavor is really, really very nice, coming in a very good way. And this is the way you do all these things. Now once you do all this, how do you serve it? How do you serve it? We have prepared the different chutneys with this. And which you can serve along with your choices of your dishes, which you want to give. And this thing is being poured everywhere, in every good places where we do all these things. Here the mint chutney is there. The version of yogurt and cream cheese chutney is there, which I have made it in Novel Cuisine, and in the next episode I'll definitely like to come with you where we'll show you the different coulis, different plating, the different desserts, and how to place the desserts or the main courses or the starters. This is one of the best things what I had, and in the coming session we will definitely come with the innovative ideas on the forgotten Indian desserts, and we'll come to that, which I believe most people have seen. We use the ingredient at home, but we have really forgotten them. The taste of authentic will be there with you. So with this, I am Professor Chef Negi BPS, and I impart the training here at the Servo platform in this place in food and production services, and it's a really great privilege with Amul to come on the platform using their ingredients and giving them a really good way. So these are things what we have given today for you. The time is very short, otherwise I definitely would have given you the everything what was needed. But for today, we have these things with us. So these are the things what we have prepared for you today. I hope you all enjoyed this session with us today, where I have given you all the thoughts. And if you have any questions, you are most welcome to ask us any given time, so that you can definitely be aware of how the cooking happens, how the cooking is done. Cooking is actually a science. It is the knowing the ingredients, placing the ingredients, cutting the ingredients, mixing the ingredients, cooking the ingredients, and then placing in front of the guest. This is for today from the Servo Hospitality School, Dehradun. Thank you. Have a so nice thing with you. Nice enjoying people. I'm definitely going to give you answers back to you, and you can contact us with this. Namaskaram. Thank you. Have a nice time. Goodbye. See you next time.